Hi there guys and girls, good day. I'm still here at the Municipal Binangonan because I came back upstairs to have some rewrite and to add some details regarding my affidavit of loss because they didn't put the incident, when it was happened, where it was, and the lady-in-chief also include to add suggest to add the chassis number and the engine number. Guys, check this out. See that? Fish made by used disposable spoon and bottles. See that? So I had to go back to NCDs. See that? And what's this? They are all talented. So I have to go back to police station. I love this one. This is not an improvised because they can still use this. They can still use this, all of this. They want to make some desserts like leche flan or any kind of desserts. I agree with others, but not with that. So bye for now. Where we are? Here we are. Okay. Bye. Check this out. See that? Bye.